Xavier, where's your lightsaber?
This way, too.
Your lightsaber? Let's see.
This way, too, right
Oh, there's a lightsaber right there. Okay.
there. I remember.
Go, go, go.
This way, go. I like you to do that. I like you to take. I like you to.
Oh, you're gonna play chase?
Okay.
Oh, he's shooting lasers at me. Oh, hi, Xavier.
Play.
Oh, Daddy, try it? Okay. Oh, Cameron, try it?
Okay, that's the button.
Push the button. It's on this side.
We got trouble. The Clankers have sent reinforcements.
Mama, can we play?
Cameron, try it.
What's the lightsaber?
Where is the lightsaber?
This.
Aha!
Uh-huh.
Oh, we don't need our lightsabers, though.